In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sync Lightroom quickly and easily, so your photos stay updated across desktop, web, and mobile. This is a simple process, but it's really useful if you want your edits and uploads to stay connected without having to do everything manually. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Lightroom on your desktop. Once it loads, look for the cloud icon in the top right corner of the screen. This is where Lightroom shows your sync status and controls. Click that cloud icon and make sure sync is turned on. If sync is already enabled, Lightroom will begin uploading your photos automatically in the background. That means your images can start moving to the cloud without you needing to do anything else. Now that sync is on, it's a good idea to check the status so you know everything is working properly. Click the cloud icon again, and you'll see a few possible status messages. If it says syncing, that means Lightroom is actively uploading or updating your files. If it says paused, then syncing has been temporarily stopped. And if you see errors, that means something is preventing Lightroom from syncing correctly, so you'll need to fix that before your files can upload normally. Next, you can verify that everything is working by checking Lightroom on the web or on your mobile device. If your photos appear there, that's a clear sign your sync is working properly across devices. This is one of the easiest ways to confirm that your Lightroom desktop is connected to the cloud the right way. If Lightroom is not syncing, don't worry, there are a few simple things to check. First, make sure your internet connection is working, because sync will not complete properly without a stable connection. Next, if sync is paused, click the option to resume syncing. If that still doesn't solve it, try signing out of Lightroom and then signing back in again. That can refresh the connection and often clears small sync issues. You should also check your cloud storage space, because if your storage is full, Lightroom won't be able to upload any more photos. So if you're having trouble, those are the main things to look at first: internet, paused sync, sign out and sign back in, and available cloud storage. Once everything is synced properly, Lightroom will keep your photos updated across devices automatically. That's the whole process. Open Lightroom, turn on sync, check the cloud status, verify it on web or mobile, and troubleshoot if needed. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more simple tutorials just like this.